Hello everyone and welcome back to Russian with Nastya. Today you are going to learn some very popular Russian nicknames that Russians used to call their loved ones. Let's start with любимый for a man, любимая for a woman. Literally it means favorite, the loved one. This one you should use only with your lover. It will be inappropriate to use it with friends or colleagues. Let's continue with дорогой for a man, дорогая for a woman. You can use this nickname only with your lover, husband, wife, girlfriend, boyfriend. Literally it means expensive. Basically it means that you consider this person very dear to you. Next is милый for a man, милая for a woman. This one, the same, you should use only with your lover. Literally it means lovely, pleasant, cute. Basically it means dear, darling or honey. Now attention, the most popular nickname ever. Zaya, Zаяц or Зайчик. It can be referred to a man or a woman. Also you can call like that your child. Малыш. The same situation here. You can call like this your lover, woman or a man, and your child. Let's continue with родной for a man, родная for a woman. Literally it means someone who has the same blood as you have, your relative. Basically it means someone very close to you. You can call like this your lover and your child. That's all for today. What nicknames do you have for your loved ones in your language? Let me know in comments. Connect with me on all my social medias. I've got Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Спасибо за внимание. До свидания.